Make sure you check out my previous video, Lock Not Bob, before you get into this video. What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyata here, and today I have another banger for you guys. I'm gonna be on the hair that I've taken out. You can clearly see the U part a little bit better, and the rest of the hair you can just leave as is, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and create our bang. All of the hair at the front, and I brought it down to the front. I put little rubber bands on there just to hold it, and as you can see, I didn't twist all the way down to the end because we're going to be measuring and gauging this bang, so I didn't need it to be twisted all the way down to the end. As you guys can see, I've already done 3, and I've done these just to show you guys how the length that I'm going to be making the bang. So basically, you want to take a lock, alright, and I didn't twist it all the way to the end, as you know, and you want to measure where you want your lock knot to begin. And of course, I wanted to line up with these right above the eyebrow. So I'm going to take the rubber band off, let it hang. I'm going to gauge, and I want it here right above the eyebrow, so I'm going to take out the excess. So what we're going to do is start off wrapping our lock around, okay, to the right. Okay. So we want these to
No. Original. That's a bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. That's a bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
She said no.
That's a bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
She said
that's a bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. That's a bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Body nice. See I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah. Man I tell her when she go low, say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man I tell her when she go low, bad man I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
No.
That's a bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
She said
that's a bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. That's a bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So they give me your number one I control. So they really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to play the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in and me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is you riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
No.
That's a bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. That's a bad man, mash up the place.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Share this video with all of your friends and family with locks. Any locticians that you know seeking lock styling inspiration. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and let me know what you think about this video. Subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyata here. Peace.